Welcome again to my YouTube channel Codes Nest. Hope you are enjoying my videos and I'm looking forward to your comments, and I request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed till now. And although we have covered all the important aspects of Scratch in our previous 10 episodes, today we are going to revise some of the concepts and also discuss important extension in Scratch. The name of extension is music extension. With this you can make music also. And further, if you have any queries, you can give me a WhatsApp message on the number mentioned here 73407 53010, and you can visit my website www.codesnest.com. So today we are going to revise some important concepts quickly. So for that purpose we are going to use music extension, and where musicians make their music generally, yes, they make their music generally from their bedrooms. Okay, so we'll delete this cat sprite. Okay, and delete this cat sprite and use first of the all backdrop. We are going to choose a one backdrop. Let's choose one backdrop which fits our scene, requirement of scene. We'll choose this one. See, there is some music is also here, present here. Okay, so now next thing what we are going to do is we'll go to events. When the green flag is clicked, so first of all this backdrop should come. What is the name of this backdrop? See, this backdrop we have chosen bedroom 3. So we'll go to code and then go to looks and then switch backdrop to bedroom 3. Next thing what we want to name this artist, whoever we will be playing this musician or whose this scene belongs. Quickly we will write a variable. You revise from previous concepts. If you have not seen those videos, I request you to see them. So we'll create variable, make a variable and call that variable as name. Okay, so this variable is here name. So we'll say set this name variable and drag here to not 0. We'll write here as question mark because we do not know right now. So we have set the name to question mark, and now we want to add the name. See, this name is visible here. So it is written question mark now. So now how we'll be able to add here? Yes, we will be able going to sensing command. In sensing command, we'll ask what is your name. Here instead of your name, we'll write what is the rock star's name, because rock star is going to play it. Rock star's name. Okay, whenever this green flag will be clicked, so it will ask us. See, it has asked what is rock star's name. So now we'll stop this script, and how will we answer it? Tell me. Yes, we will go to from answer. This is answer. This will give us answer. When we will type here in the dialog box answer, it will reflect in this answer variable. So we'll again go to variable, and when we wait, and when we this is wait, and when we get the answer, set the name to, again go to sensing variable and replace this name by answer. So do you want to test it? Let's test it. So when this green flag is clicked, so you say what is rockstar's name? Say I write codes nest Rajan Gupta. Okay, so as soon as I write it, name is updated here, codes nest Rajan Gupta. Okay, so that's done. So now we'll go to next purpose. What we want to do is we have created this scene, right? So we want to create some instruments now. So what instruments we want to create? We want to create drums, cymbals. So for that purpose, quickly we'll go to sprites and choose some instruments. So for instruments we have different categories here. So instruments are most likely to be selected from music. So we will choose first of all, say drum one. Okay, so there's so many. Let's say simple one, drum one. Okay, so the drum symbol is now our first sprite here. So first sprite, what we are going to do now, we are going to create a code. So what code we are going to create here? Yes, so when this sprite is clicked, so we want to create a code. So as I have already told, we are now going to use this extension, music extension. Okay, so we have added music extension here for first time. So now we will be using codes from this music extension. So we are going to use this very wonderful extension music. How this comes? By clicking this add extension button. Okay, so this block gets added here. So from music, what we are going to, first of all, whenever this sprite is clicked, we are going to create a beats variable. So first we will drag it at some suitable place and then create one more variable. Name of the variable will be beats. Okay, so for all sprites, yes. So beats will put to the right. So whenever this sprite will be clicked, so this beats will be updated and the sound will be from this. So when this sprite is clicked, we will now go to music, and in music what we will do, in music what we are going to do, we'll switch first of all, play any music. So say we click first of all and say we choose from here, randomly say we choose open hi-hat. Okay, whenever this will be clicked, this will play this music hi-hat. Before that, we will, whenever this is clicked, we will change the beats. So how will we change the beats? We have already named the variable, so we'll change the beats by 1. Whenever we click this drum by 1, beat will be increased by 1. And so we have, see in this we have two costumes. One is this one, see, when it is hit, and one is non-hit costume. So we will change the costume to hit costume, costume B. So it is B, and then play it, and after playing, switch the costume back to A. Okay, so we have changed to back to A. Okay, so this is done. So this is a wonderful thing. So now what we want to do? So this backdrop, this option is done, the name is done. So this beats we have changed by 1, right? So this beat has been changed by 1 means whenever this beat, whenever green flag is clicked, this beat should, what should it do? It should be go to 0. Okay, so for that purpose we have going to stage. So we do not want this script to run again and again. So for the time being we will remove this script, and here we will add, whenever this stage, when the green flag is clicked, it will set the name to question mark, and further it will set the number of beats to 0. Okay, so we are not joining it for the time being, and going back to the code of this. So this is done, and this will change the beats by 1. So now see, our very wonderful, this concept has been complete. So if you want to test, we can test it right now, or we want to test later on, we can test later on. So, okay, let's test quickly. For that purpose, we'll join our script which we have disconnected, okay, and run it in a full screen. See, yes, this is running and number of beats are increasing. Right, so let's go back now, and for again we'll go to stage and move these blocks. Okay, now we'll upgrade this project. We have one now drum. We want that there should be first upgrade. What will be that upgrade? We'll use one snare drum. So snare drum, what snare drum will do? So for snare drum, this code will be same, but the only thing is that this script, means these components will change. For that purpose, we'll choose a sprite, and in sprite we'll go to music and we'll choose snare drum. Okay, and after choosing snare drum, we'll copy this code. So we will not duplicate it, we'll just drag it. When we drag it like this and wavers, it remains in, comes back to original position, and it is copied here also. See, they both have same code. So now whenever we want to play this drum snare, our number of beats should increase by 2, and so this sprite, this code should be, instead of drum, this is coming same, so we'll play drum. This time we will going to use snare drum. Okay, so we have changed the drum type of snare because now instrument has changed. Now costume will also change automatically by clicking here. Hit costume is snare B. See, this is hit costume and this is non-hit costume. So similarly, we will go to drum snare B, and similarly instead of drum cymbal, we will choose drum snare A. This part is done, right? So now see, we have done this also. So next what we want, that this thing should not be always visible. This should be, we are going to create very, very important thing now. We want to earn it. When the number of beats goes to 10, then we are able to earn it. In the beginning, it should be hidden. For that purpose, what we are going to create is that when the green flag is clicked, so at that time, go to looks and hide it. Okay, it will be now hidden. So next, what we are going to do, so we are going to see, we will going to drag it here. So whenever green flag will be clicked, it will be disappear. So when will it reappear? For getting it reappear, we are going to create a get block here. To create that get block, we'll again go to choose a costume, and here we'll choose a some sort of get button. This button we will choose and go to costumes, and the side is a little less. So for that purpose, we'll choose select option and increase it size. Here also we'll increase the size, and similarly we'll increase the size of this one also. Okay, and click here, so to center it. Now what we are going to create, we want to get this. Okay, so to get this, we are going to go here and copy it and go to again button 3. We are going to name it as a get snare, right? So in get snare, we will paste it, drum at the right side. Further, see, this is now here available. So we want to buy it at the price of 10 bits. So we'll enter here text as 10. So this 10 should be more visible. So we'll choose color, say here white. So this will be more visible. Okay. We'll select it. We have to select it. Now it will right. So it is visible. See, at this stage, it is visible that we can buy this at price of 10 bits. Okay. So now we have written it. So after the writing, we have to write a code also, that how after this can be purchased at the cost of 10. For that purpose, so whenever we will click it, it will check whether we have stock of 10 bits, yes or no, then it will provide us this drum. So for that purpose, in we have written that it will go when green flag will be clicked, it will be hidden. Now it is hidden. See, drum is near. It will be visible only when we are able to get the number of bits equal to 10. For that purpose, we write a code that if when we try to click it, this one get drum, so it will run a if then else loop. Remember from your previous videos, if you have not watched those videos, please watch them. So when this sprite is clicked, so it will check. What it will check? That if the number of bits are greater than 9. So we'll write here as 9 and go to variables. So we'll drag this bits variable here. So this conditional will make a decision that if the number of variable that is bits are number more than 9, then we want to get this one snare. Okay, so for that, and if it is more than 10, it will this block will disappear and this our instrument will appear. So to hide this block, we'll go to looks, and at the bottom there is a hide block. We'll write it as a hide, and further after purchasing this drum, we will reduce the number of beats by 10. So we'll go to variable and change this variable by -10. When we reduce, this is -10. Okay, so this number of bits will get reduced by 10. Okay, so if the number of bits are not 10 and we try to click it, will we get this drum? No. So else it will tell us that, see, you do not have enough bits, not enough bits. Okay, so it will tell that you do not have enough bits and it will not work. And further, how this drum snare will appear? For that purpose, we will create a broadcasting message. So we will go to events. So broadcast a message whenever these bits have been reduced. It will now that yes, new message that I am eligible for snare drum. Okay, so it will broadcast the snare, and similarly, when the snare drum, when this will receive the broadcast message, then I will receive this. See, if you are facing some difficulty in understanding these concepts, I request you once again watch previous videos. Okay, so when I receive this snare command here, broadcast message, so what I will do, then it will show this one drum snare. So for show, I will go to at the bottom and just simply drag this show. Okay, so it will show. So now this I am going to here. See, number of bits it has checked, and it has shown also. And similarly, I want that when I have purchased this drum, my backdrop should also change. So for example, for that purpose, I will go to stage, go to backdrops and choose a backdrop. Here I will choose a chalkboard. Hope you are remembering this backdrop where we use, yes, we choose this backdrop in find the bug, right? So find the bug episode. So now we are going to use this backdrop. When we are going to use this backdrop, so when I receive the message snare, so when I receive the message snare, then backdrop should change to chalkboard, right? So this will be changed to chalkboard. We'll simply try to test it for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So when I click it, see, this backdrop has changed and it has gone back to normal. So I will click back to it normal. So this is working. So now my this stage is complete. So what do we want to do more? I want to go for a further upgrade. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to add one more backdrop. This time I am going to add this backdrop, sorry, sprite. I am going to choose different. Say I am going to use Congo, drum Congo. Okay, so if I am choosing drum Congo, I will again this copy all this sprite from here to that place. How will copy? Very simple method. I will take it here and will start waving and leave it. Similarly, these sprites, this block also, as soon as it waves, see, when I will now click it back, all those blocks are here. So I have copied them. So what it will do, this Congo block at the click of green flag, it will be hidden, and when it will receive the message, now I have to create one more get Congo method. So for that purpose, I will duplicate it, get snare. I will now name it as a get Congo. Okay, so get Congo. So it will, when the beats are say now increase more than 29, price of this Congo drum is more, and number of beats will be reduced by 30. If you are facing difficulty, you can watch the previous videos. And this time I will be broadcasting new message Congo. Okay, So Congo will be broadcasted as soon as this, when I am able to have sufficient number of bits. Okay, so I will be using here, and this should be when it will be green flag is clicked, it will be hidden. Okay, so when I will be having sufficient number of blocks, it will be there. So now similarly in get Congo I have written it, and similarly in drums Congo, so when I receive the message Congo, it will be shown, and number of bits will be, this time say I will increase the score by 5. This is working, get Congo is there, so this is working, this is working. Let's now, yes, it is full, and I want to do one thing more. So whenever go to this backdrop and go to this, and when this is final scene, I will choose a different backdrop. This time I want to do a unique backdrop, say indoor, yes, party backdrop. So final backdrop will be party backdrop. I will go to code, so again go to events. When I receive the broadcast Congo, then choose the backdrop to party. Okay, so I have different, see, when I receive the snare backdrop, my backdrop will be changed to chalkboard. When I receive the snare message, and I will get this snare drum, and when I will have Congo drum, my backdrop will be party. Okay, so and now I will join the script. Okay, so the moment we are waiting for, I'm going to run this script on full screen. Okay, so let's run it. So I have pressed it. It is asking what is Rockstar's name. As expected, I will name my venture's name only, Codes Nest, and my name. You can put your name or somebody else's name. Okay, so Codes Nest Rajan, it has updated to Rajan, and I will practice with this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now what I am going to do, one thing more, that this gets near, we have to show it also, right? So this button, when I receive this snare, it is show, so it has to show in the beginning. So get snare when the green flag is, so so I will write here event, when the green flag is clicked, so it will be shown. So we'll go to looks, so show. Similarly I will go to get Congo, when the green events, when the green flag is clicked, go to looks and show. Okay, so yes, now now you can hope that it works well. Okay, let me click it green. Okay, so this is okay, something is okay. See, we have done, we have to again change it. So here in get Congo, we will go to costumes and remove it, and then make it upgrade, Control C, and go to this okay, and when go to get Congo and go to costume, here we will paste it, and we'll write it that 30 is the price, right? Okay, so we'll go to codes. Now now let's see, now and drag it at proper place. Yes, now let's hope that it works fully well this time. Yes, yes, it says what is Rockstar's name. I say Codes Nest Rajan Gupta. Okay, done. So it has upgraded my name. Now let's play 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now I can purchase this one, right? Let's click it. Yes, I have purchased it. So let's, when I will click it, see, it is increasing by 2. Please note it. And when I click it, it is increasing by 1. So let's do some music. Right? So I have now more beats, 40 beats, I can purchase this one also. See, I have, this looks good. So let's do some music, right? This is working wonderful, right? So hope you enjoyed this. Okay, we can change also again. Not enough beats. So if you click, then only it will come. Again, not complete, say not enough beats. Okay. So now if I click, it will come. So it is increasing. So I have more than 30 beats. So I will be able to play it, right? So it is working. Thank you very much. So I think there is a one more thing left. What is left? Can anybody tell? So this was not showing. So we have what we have done. We have not changed this code, right? When we have written code, we were supposed to change also drum conga B and drum conga A, and also here also we have to change the drums to conga. This is conga, right? That's why our music was not proper. So let's run for the final time. Okay, so run it. What is name? Say Rajan. Code's name Rajan. Okay, so let's now practice it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it is done. So that crop is changed. I am clicking it. It's working. So now still, if I click it, it says not enough beats. So I have to make enough beats. Now I can purchase it. Yes, it is working. So it is working. So see, all are working properly. So that's good. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to revise the previous concepts and also learn some new thing in music extension. This music extension is very enjoyable, very good thing. You can upgrade this project also. You can have number of instruments. There is endless number of instruments you can use. You can have endless things in this project. How? You can have number of backdrops and you can use different messages. In this only one message is coming, right? What is the name of your this rock star? This you can change different beats. You can change that. Now we have purchased this drum and different drums by one say 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beat, 4 beat, 5 beat. So you can place you can change the number of beats to purchase the instrument. Further, you can change the number of beats when we strike that sprite. When we that sprite is clicked, the number of beats you can increase. What more can you? You can use duplicate this, get the sprites when this for example there are decisions. What are the decisions? When that particular number of beats have reached, then you are eligible to purchase that sprite, and you can broadcast a message also there. So that we are broadcasting not enough beats, right? So you can change that message. So this is for now. I thank you very much. Thank you very much. And if you have any query, you can contact me through WhatsApp on 713-407-53010. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Meet you again.